Today, I will teach you how to weave this little red flower bracelet. Take 2 thread 80 centimeters long 72 number jade thread, fold in half in the middle and place in the braiding frame. Then twist the thread for make the bracelet lock button. Make the buttonhole about 2 centimeters long. Then use the outermost 2 wires to tie a coarse-spun snake knot to fix it. Wrap the lower thread upwards and pinch it with your fingers. Then use the top line to circle the index finger downwards, and go round in circle. Pull the lower thread to tighten the loop. Pull the upper thread to tighten the loop on the index finger. Similarly, tie a knot. After the knot is tied, start to braid the 4 strands. Cross left and right with the middle 2 lines. Then use 2 lines up and down. Cross up and down. Continue left and right 2 lines, left and right cross. Repeat this until the desired length. Here we braid the 4-strand braid to half the length of the hand circumference. Then use 3 strands of gold thread to make a short winding. The winding wire is about 0.5 centimeters long. Cut the thread, then tighten the winding. Again, cut thread and burn. Then we will make up the little red flower in the middle and bracelet. Divide the lines like in the video. Take another 30 centimeters long red thread, fold in half. Put it aside and use it later, then put the right line on the middle 2 axes. The left line is under the 2 axes, that is to clamp the 2 axes in the middle. Then take the red thread and place the folded red thread on the cross line. Then put the red thread on the right from the middle of the 2 blue wires on the right, and then go around. Go through the red circle on the right. Then the red line on the left also goes down from the middle of the 2 blue lines on the left. Go around and go through the red circle on the left. Finally adjust and tighten both the wire and the 2 crossed blue wires. This method completes the first petal. Next, make the petals on the right. take the right blue line, lay the red wire over the blue wire and press it through the red circle and tighten it. Then use the red line to go around under the blue line, and then press through the red circle to tighten. This is a group of sparrow head knots tied up and down. Then use the same method to make another petal. Let's do the 2 petals on the left. The method is the same. Use the red thread on the blue thread, one up and one down to make 2 sets of sparrow's head knots. Then burn the tails of the 2 axes in the middle, and put a 3 mm gold bead on it. Let's weave the last petal. 2 blue lines, one above the axis and one below the axis. Clamp the axis. Pull the red line from below the blue line, then pass it into the circle, and then tighten the red line. Then pull the red line from above to the left of the axis. The red line goes around from below the blue line and enters the red circle, then slowly adjust and tighten the red line from the last petal. Finally, tighten the blue line. Now the flower is ready. Take it down and turn it over. Reserve a little bit of the 2 red wires, cut them off and burn them together. The next step is to make the short winding, so I won't explain that here. After the winding is done, continue to braid the 4 strands. Knitting to the length required by your hand circumference. After weaving to the right length, let's finish. Here is the overlapping snake knot. Take the lower 2 wires and wind them up. Pinch them with your fingers. Take the upper 2 threads around the index finger, and then pass through the circle. Tighten the lower 2 threads. Then tighten the 2 upper threads. Adjust the knot. Then tie the second snake knot. This snake knot is to wrap the first snake knot. Adjust and tighten the knot. Finally, cut off the excess thread and burn it. In this way, the little red flower bracelet is complete. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment the video at the end, and subscribe to our channel, HandiCrafts, so that we keep bringing such videos for our viewers.